Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be checking out the WEBER Baby Q Duffle Bag. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Now don't forget everything you use in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your WEBER products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so we're going to be looking at the WEBER Q Duffle Bag. Now there are cheaper versions of this and you've got to ask yourself, are they worth it or is it worth buying the WEBER one? Now this will fit the Q1200 and it will fit the Q1000. If you've bought a Baby Q or you're looking at buying one of those accessories for someone who's got a Baby Q, this would be the ideal thing to get them for Christmas. So what we'll do is dive in and have a look at the quality and the features of this WEBER Baby Q Duffle Bag. So here we've got the Baby Q Duffle Bag. It's made of heavy duty canvas. Now this is 5 years old, so you can see the quality and it has lasted me a long time. It is machine washable, so you can wash it when it gets dirty. Obviously if you're putting your Q in there, make sure it's nice and clean. You don't want it really greasy because you're going to get grease in there and then you're going to get that grease in your washing machine when you come to wash it. I'll show you the inside. So inside there's enough room for your Baby Q, so whether you've got the Q1000 or the Q1200, you've got a removable solid base, so you can remove this solid base and then you can throw this straight in the washing machine on a gentle wash if it starts to get a bit dirty or a bit grubby. And then once it's dry, that base will go back in like so. What we'll do is we'll just drop the Q in so you can see how it all fits. Now to fit your Q in, just straighten the sides out. So it may be easy with two people, but you can do it with just one person. So all I do is fold those sides down and you're just going to put the front legs in, and as you put the front legs in, slide it in, keep it tilted and then pull that back like so. Now you may have noticed that I've got the K-on side tables in here. I will put an card above linking to that, make sure you check that out at the end of this video. But make sure your Q is nice and clean, so your hose will go in there on the bottom of your side tables. If you've got the £2 canister, it will fit in there with that attached. So then what we'll do is we pull these sides up like so, and then we've got this really sturdy zip which just zips across, and this is adjustable. So this strap here is adjustable, so if you've got the Q1000 you can tighten it a bit more because it's a bit of a lower lid, but you'll get a nice tight snug fit. You've got this handle here with the Velcro attachment, so you just push that through, a bit like a hold all bag, push that Velcro around and that's ready to go. What you've got is one handle on the top if you're just carrying it by yourself, and you've got two handles on the side, so if there's two of you, one can hold that end and one can hold that end, and away you go. Now don't forget everything you use in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your WEBER products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. You've just seen it's really easy to fit that Q in there. If there's two of you, you'll find it a little bit easier. We've got the two handles on the side if there's two people to help you carry, and you've got the one handle on the top for lifting it and getting it into that car. It is machine washable, it's made of really sturdy canvas, and you've got that really sturdy zip as well. And it also comes as well with WEBER's warranty. Now there will be links in the description below of the best place to get one of these, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Now if you're looking for a stocking filler for someone who's got a Baby Q, this would be the ideal gift. Now we'll put an card above linking to the K-on WEBER Baby Q tables that I did a couple of months back, so make sure you check those out. And there will be links in the description of the best place to get one of these bags. As you saw in the video, like I said, it's got some really good quality canvas there. It's going to protect your Q. If you've got the WEBER Q1200 or you've got the WEBER Q1000, it will fit perfectly. It will protect that for years to come, and it's fantastic if you're going for those day trips or camping. It's machine washable as well, and you can remove that solid base. Like I said in the video, just don't put your Q in if it's really greasy. Make sure you clean all that grease off of your Q first before you put it in, and you won't have to clean the bag so often. I've probably cleaned mine about twice in 5 years, if that, and that's mainly just from dust and grime from camping trips. If you're new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.